this computer. So I'm heading to the problem 10 in the test. That's one of those problems. And you had similar in the homework assignments where we had issues by entering the answer here. So here is the thing, right? We were asked to solve this equation first. And let me solve it to you first so then we can enter it, right? Draw. Okay, so this is what I would do with it. I would multiply all the sides by 7 over 2, right? By 7 over 2. It's the reciprocal of the x. So what happens here is this 2 is canceled and this 7 is canceled, and I'm getting x, right? Now on the left side, what will happen is 24 with 2, if I cancel them, right? Cancel 2, get 1. Cancel 2, get 12. So 12 times 7, oh my, 12 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14, right? And 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1, 8, 84, right? 84. So the thing I have here is before I enter the answer, I need to solve the inequality, right? But it's an easy one, so it's like, one step. And then here, I'll cancel 2 from here, get 1. Cancel 2 from here, get 5. 7 times 5 will be 35. So this is my answer. And you didn't have any issues entering the answer in the interval notation, right? So for example, I would put 35, 84, right, comma. So if I check it, I don't know if I can check the answers, right? The interval notation will be correct. Now, the issues we had is when we were trying to enter the set builder notation. Now, right now, I'm going to use the keyboard to show you what the issue is. I'm opening the curly braces, and you can see the example here. I'm putting the X, and then I'm putting the vertical line. What immediately happens, and you could see them here in gray, right, is that another vertical line appears, and another curly braces appears. Well, another curly braces is okay, but do you see in this example the second vertical line? Nobody sees it, right? So the vertical line should be only one. It stands for the words such that. All values, all real number values for x such that, and here we usually put our limitations, and this is what we will do. X is between 35 and 84. And I will close the parenthesis here, but you see what happens? More things are piling up here, and I will try to raise the things, but it will not work, right? And if I try to submit the answer right now, what the system will do is it will reveal all those symbols that should not be there, right? And no matter how much I try, the keyboard will not work. It seems to be a glitch of the web work. Well, I have to still figure out it by trying many things. But what I did find working is to use the MathQuil for the vertical line. Do you see that it says such that? This is called the MathQuil. This bar on your right is called the MathQuil. You remember I showed it to you in the very first meeting of our class, right? So that bar will prevent the system from showing another one. Okay, let me check the chat messages to make sure. Yeah, exactly, yes. So I had to go through all those problems to change the scores there if I saw that your answer was actually correct, right? So here I am opening the curly brace with the keyboard. Then I put X, and after it, I put the vertical line, right? Do you see that it's only one vertical line? I do not have the second one. Hooray, right? It's like, and then I put the limitations, 35x, 84, and then I close it. There are no issues whatsoever with it, right? So I believe it's a glitch. It's a glitch of the newer version of the web work with the MathQuil. Maybe the reason wasn't the problem. I have to still experiment with it. I didn't have to do that. I didn't have time to do that. But, follow my recommendation in the email and this video, how to work with these issues, if anything else comes up. Okay, I'll stop the recording now.